In Creo Parametric 9.0, you have a couple new options for replacing a component in an assembly. You can replace a component with an assembly that contains that component and with an existing copy of the model. Here I have an assembly open. Let me select one of the components. I'm going to use the selection filter just to ensure that I am only selecting parts. And then when I hold down the right mouse button from the pop-up menu, here is the replace command, and it opens up the dialog box. Here is the option to replace this part with an assembly containing the model. And when you're replacing a component, it can be either a part or an assembly, and you're replacing it with an assembly that contains that component. Let me use the open icon to find the one that I want to use. Here I have a D38999 connector assembly consisting of a connector, a back shell, and a boot. Let me choose the open button and then click the OK button. And I didn't have to do any reference pairing. It automatically figured out the necessary references based on the existing component that was in the assembly, and it just automatically transferred all the references. Let's take a look at another example. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Shift-G to change my filter back to geometry. I'm going to select this part and then use the little select related in order to get to the subassembly that I want to replace. Let me hold down the right mouse button. Here we have the replace command, and I'm going to choose existing copy this time. Let me use the open button and navigate to a folder that contains it. Now I want to show you what happens when I choose this first subassembly. This assembly is slightly different. I saved a copy and deleted some components. When I choose the open button, here I get a warning that there is a component mismatch. The incoming model is not a copy of the outgoing component, or the original model was modified after the copy was saved. Okay, let's choose a different component. I will choose this particular subassembly and then click the open button. And now I can click the OK. And we have the one subassembly that was replaced with a copy of that subassembly. And replacing with an existing copy works for both parts and assemblies as well. So there you have it, two new options for replacing components in an assembly in Creo Parametric 9.0.